This includes precautions, division of work, and tools to be used in the construction. Part 2. Traction and laying of aerial opfiber cable traction. Let's talk about these 4 topics separately. Now, in the video, we see a warning strip around the work site. The operator sets the ladder onto the cement pole. Operators wear safety belts for working at height. This step is to install the cable traction pulley. The operator climbs up the ladder to the work site under the supervision of the ground crew and fastens the safety harness before climbing. Using a wire or the pulley's own buckle, install the traction pulley on the optical cable and the linear cable guide pulley. Next, we will introduce the manufacture of traction ropes and nets. When the cable traction sheet is ready, prepare the traction rope on the ground. Step 1. Place the metal mesh at the head of the cable. Use the adhesive tape to wrap the ends of the metal mesh. The second step is to connect the end of the drawstring to the head of the net cover by means of a screw extractor. Finally, fix the transaction rope to one end of the detent. Use the cable ties to bind the extra traction rope at the ends evenly. After preparing the traction rope and the net cover, this section describes the cable transaction limitations and the cable installation process. First, the operator carries the connecting detent and the traction rope of the optical fiber cable, which is under control of the ground personnel. The operator climbs up the ladder to the operation point and passes the head of the traction rope through the traction pulley in the direction of the cable traction. The traction personnel of ground optical cables should keep a proper traction angle and pull the traction rope using the nylon pulley that meets the requirements to do the optical cable online and straight traction. The maximum angle of the online traction